Oh, hello there. Yeah. Today, package unboxing from JustSpinning. We're gonna see. I spent 153 USD. It's a lot of stuff. Were pretty pricey in my opinion. Like Giotto, $3. Wow, really? You know, stuff like this. Like 350 for a Giotto. They should be like $1 or $2. You know, this shit $2 caps. You know this. Not the most affordable. But we're gonna see if they actually can't give me this because you know why? JustSpinning is a drop shipper. So I did that. So maybe if they do have a signature, if they give me a signature, that'll actually prove that maybe they receive and resend, which would kind of be wacky. I'm pretty sure it's just a direct drop shipper though. As you can see, the address is from the Netherlands, which is not where JustSpinning is located. You know, I'm pretty sure they're in like Ecuador or something like that. Some Spanish-speaking country. I don't really know, but yeah, they do that. Okay, and also they got a fragile sticker, which I see on Taobao purchases. They got the classic valuations and stuff, which is cool. It's weird that I didn't actually have to pay any customs fee though. For usually at this price they would, and it seems like they lied about it. I did it at half. This says 70 USD. This is probably how much they paid for my order. Not gonna lie. And yeah, and then you have CN. CN. I'm pretty sure that's gonna be just from China then. Okay. Blah blah blah. Just stuff. I should have probably scanned thing. Interesting. Nothing really else. Yep. Oh, they got something over here. Chinese, of course. Taobao. All right. Where is my? Oh yeah. Let's just get this. It wasn't very transparent of how I was supposed to track my order. I thought I was getting no updates on it. I guess I was looking in the wrong places. I sent them an email. They said, "Oh, here's the link," and shit like that. And oh, wow, it actually moved and shit. Got some foam inside. Pretty cool. I don't want to damage nothing in here. So I'm not gonna stab it fully, but. All right. It's just a huge foam stuff. It's just a huge foamy. See? Oh, but I got some tape. Okay, that's cool. Very protective, I guess. As you can see here. We're just gonna go inside. But... Oh, and then you see some plastic. All right then. I don't think I'll need this. I'm gonna just probably dig at it. Whoa, something just unplugged from my... Whoa, what is... Okay. It's just a big bag of stuff. It's not like separated and stuff. Okay. Let's see what they do. Again, of course, a reminder, you know, it's probably not the best to support dropshippers. However, you know, I do understand some people just don't know. Some people don't want to mess around with learning how to use Taobao, stuff like that. Okay, sure, but, you know, it's probably best to learn. You'll save, you know, buy directly from the source rather than paying an upcharge, paying $3 for Giotto. Stuff like that. So they just got stuff in here. We got my first nope field. Got the green one. Very nice. I'm very thankful. I did forget to... Oh, we got a nope hive too. And I'm pretty sure I'm going to find the other boxes. Oh. And it seems like we have two blue fields. Did I order these? I have one blue field here. I have a hive element. And then, oh, I bought a combo accidentally. It seems like I accidentally bought another one. So now I have 3 note fields that I don't really have a need for. That's cool. Oh, we got some wax. Actually, very surprising because it's from China, and usually, when you traditionally buy it, they say, "Oh, we cannot ship you the wax. It's illegal, illegal." But we got the wax. We got the wax. We got connectors, extra connectors, I guess. I don't see much. I guess the connectors do break. I would assume because elements have a problem with the connectors kind of breaking. No other clear things. Stuff in the bottom. Another wax. Good. People like the wax. I personally don't like using wax. I think it's kind of gimmicky. But it's nice that they include it. It's just I don't think it should. It's that good. You can just use lotion. You can wash your hands, which I prefer. Oh, we got spin pro tips, and they're actually red ringed spin pro tips. I don't know if there's any difference between the red or like orangish, maybe burgundy, compared to the traditional black ones. I've actually never seen these orange tips. Very wild, very interesting. Any other looser type things? Nope. We're just gonna get on to the big spectacle, which is this bag. Yep, seems like nothing else in here. I can throw this bag away. We're gonna take a look at what we've got here. Bags in bags. This is definitely the Taobao bags that I get. I just recognize it. It's just very thin. Okay, we have an actual Isaac emboss, and actually, this looks like a like a Spin World's Isaac emboss because of the O-rings. I thought only UXC would actually do that, but actually no, huh? There's some weird like tape on this thing that kind of gives it a spiral look, but it's just literally tape on this that I can peel off, but it kind of makes it look like a cool thing going on. I think it's tape. It feels cheap and I guess yeah, it's like overlapping. I don't really know. But we have an Isaac emboss. It's gonna be airfit tipped. And this connector seems... How long is this connector? Wow. Like, I can see it and... Oh, it's 4.5 centimeters? I'm pretty sure that's not the normal length. Isn't it 3.5? Let me take a look at this. Oh. We check in the pen modding PM. We're gonna fact check this. Maybe I just remembered wrong. Nope, 3.5 centimeters. And this is an extra centimeter long connector. Yeah. Wow. At least it's centered, actually. It's pretty centered. Whoever made this, I don't know why they had the extra decorative rings. I'm not a big fan of that. And they chose black here. I guess black and white thing. I personally wouldn't go for this. The connectors seem pretty actual snug, which I even don't have it as perfectly snug. Maybe I don't know what connectors they used. I'm gonna actually take a look a little bit. Can I see under here? Okay, they used Giotto back plugs, and they just perfectly got it in somehow. Even I don't do that. Usually mine has a little bit gap between the emboss and the Giotto. And we're actually going to grab a scale. And we're going to measure it. I bet 25 grams. It's kind of pretty easy to guess 25 grams. Just from it. 24.24. Pretty cool. Pretty standard. Yep. Yeah. So definitely not. I would not recommend it. This is just why even you don't even need to change the connector length. I don't know why they did that. I guess it affects the feel too, of course. But yeah, we have another thing with the spiral. I don't know why I got pre-made mods, but I did want like an Isaac emboss that was pre-made for some reason. I guess I didn't want to support UXC. It's like the same thing though. But yeah, pretty okay. I guess everything seems wrong. What are these rings up here? They're not cut properly. Like these rings aren't like, like the on Sailor Gel. There's like a little bit. There's like some gaps in between. He like didn't cut off the gap in between, I guess. And on here, whoever made this didn't cut the stuff at the end of the Giotto that you're supposed to cut on this type of mod. It's also Eno. It's an Eno. Oh yeah, this is Eno. It's probably Eno Giotto as well. Definitely, you can see the shape at the ends here. Not so great. In terms of any ball, whatever conformativity, but that might be just on its own. This is my first fully, actually, because I thought I had an Eno one. I mean, I thought actually this is my first. Of course, I've only had this one now. This Pyro Emboss, Pyro Bullet mod. I don't have a legit one made yet because I keep making freaking Titan gears. But this is 23.5. Sounds about right. Actually, I don't know. Is it 23.5? It says 23. But yeah. I'm actually going to look it up because I'm a curious man. It's supposed to be 22.5. This is a centimeter longer. Why? I mean, I guess you could say, oh, it's more optimal. But, you're just changing stuff. This is okay. Whatever. It feels fine. It's just, and I bet it spins pretty good. But, of course, it's they made their own tips. I guess I'm in an opportunity where I can compare between this one, between the Whirls version and the legit one when I get a legit one made, because I think I should be able to, because I got these grips. Oh my god, how much I got? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 sets of those. I got some white any ball, some yellow any ball, some caps, some alpha gel. Gotta make, oh gosh, what is this? Okay, it's a Sailor Gel, but it looks kind of wonky. What the hell? They taped this together. I'm actually gonna take a look closer at this, because that would be concerning. Huh. I guess it's normal. I guess in the packaging it looked kind of wacky. But yeah, that's fine. High-tech C-tips, alpha gel, and airfit, airfit, all stuff, pretty standard stuff that you would expect them not to mess up. You got my overpriced Giottos. Doesn't seem to be tampered with. I'm actually gonna see if they got ink in them, because China. This one does it. They do have ink. Okay, I guess it's freaking the carriers, man. They don't want to mess with them. We got some Giotto, Giotto here. Looks like one. Did I only order one Giotto? Seriously? Only one white one? What is this? High-tech C, Giotto Emboss. You got 4 whites, yep. Yeah, I only got one. I guess I was gonna make like an Isaac Emboss or some shit like that. That's really it. Okay. Am I satisfied? Okay. I guess I got what I ordered. Nothing really too special. Nothing really too extraordinary about the shop, of course. No extra surprise. No gift. It's just you get what you get. You get it in a kind of a long time. But of course, that's because it's a drop shipping. It's from China. If you're getting from China, it's gonna be a long time. Not too bad of an experience. I still wouldn't get it. You do have access to quite a bit of stuff, but it's just directly from Taobao. You can just learn to get directly from Taobao, and then you can watch my video, I guess. Learn, and then bam, you have access to even more stuff. But technically, yeah, they're not a scam. They're not a good shop. I received my stuff. Yeah, thank you guys.